Today we have a full Schluter shower enclosure installation. Alright, let's get started. This was a really tricky start. This wall has not one, but two pocket doors, so I'm sistering all of the studs so we can get some room and so that I can anchor my board correctly. Always make sure to clean your subfloor so you don't step on all that dust the entire day. I'm adding some cardboard shims to the wall to bring it into plane. I will also be doing something called wet shimming to also help bring everything into plane. This is accomplished with LFT lightweight thin set mortar right on the studs. The white globs that you see right there, that is the LFT mortar. It's really great. I can level everything up to about a half an inch. So if everything's out of plane by that much, I can level it off with that mortar layer right there. For the other tradesmen watching this video, yes, I could have put this on a table, but I wanted to show off how long and tall they were. This is 2-inch thick Schluter board. I'm going to use it to make a custom wall-to-wall bench. You can see that I'm anchoring it with all set Schluter thin set and just putting that sucker right on there. This was a fun little add-on. I am sliding in a small niche. The customer requested some place to put her phone as she showers, so this little niche is going to do the trick. I'm doing contracting work in California, so all of the drains are ABS. Using the correct glue, I am building a custom little extension here so that I can attach to the drain right there, the Schluter integrated flange drain. Probably the most important thing for any tile preparation is to always make sure that everything is as level as you can get it. It'll save you a ton of time and effort later on. If you want your work to be a lot quicker, having level walls and level floors and a level drain will help tremendously. I started my career in tile work doing nothing but floats. So that's kind of the old school method. The one thing I haven't been able to abandon is making these dry pack concrete shower pans. I feel like they are still superior to the foam pans, but you can also buy prefabricated foam pans. This is just my personal preference. I really like to build my own shower pan and give it a very nice and generous pitch so that all the water gets out of the shower as quickly as possible. Here I'm I'm using the Schluter Ditra membrane, and I'm putting everything with a 3/8 inch V-notch trowel. I believe it's a Schluter All Set. Yep, this is a really long shower. I think it's about 7 feet by 4 feet, so I had to use a couple pieces and sort of piece it together. Always make sure to overlap at least 2 inches on every sheet. I never complete any of these installations without first doing at least a 24-hour flood test, and it passed. It was great. There you have it, fully waterproof Schluter shower enclosure. It's ready for tile. What you see on all of the screw hold is Schluter Curdy band. I also put it around every single change point. And that's it for all the tile preparation for a shower. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe so I can keep making them. Alright, thank you. And thank you for watching.